All right, so these Mercedes emblems fit on the front side of your key. Now, there's some keys that have an emblem on the back. Those won't fit. Let me grab an example of one. Okay, so this is an example of a Mercedes key with an emblem on the back. Now, as you can see, this one's slightly larger than this one, so it's not going to fit this key. It's only going to fit the front of your key. Now, also, sometimes your emblem falls out and it looks like this. Sometimes just the chrome piece falls out. This one is broken already. They don't come off that easily. And your key looks like this, and then you receive this one and you're like, well, it doesn't fit, right? Because this doesn't fit easily there. And the reason is that you see the difference here? This still has the plastic backing. This part needs to be removed. Let me get you a close-up of this. See this here? This needs to be removed. So I just take a razor blade, carefully, don't cut yourself doing this, and you can just pop it out. And there's the plastic piece. That's the plastic piece that this sits into. And then here's a new one. You would place this on the back of this sticker. There's 3 dots. You can probably see them here. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. There's 3 dots there. And those 3 dots go into these little holes here, right? So this just sits in there. You take the plastic, you take the little plastic adhesive sticker off, the protector off, and it sticks right in, and it goes right in place. Okay?